All right, guys. Well, today it's Michigan. It's cold. Looking for something to do to have some fun. So I decided we're gonna go ahead and give the old Blazer motor another fire up. She only had a couple of heat cycles put on it. Figure it's been sitting a little while. It'd be good to get a little heat in her, get some moisture out of her. Should fire up pretty easy for us, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. Got no exhaust on it this time, so it's definitely gonna be pretty loud, but we'll see how it goes and make some cool noise, hopefully. All right, well, got all of our electrical system hooked up, got our fuel supply hooked up. Should be good to go ahead and try and fire it. Got the tach reading, got our oil and water temps over here. We're gonna go ahead and roll it over on the starter, see if we can get some oil pressure in it, and then we'll go ahead and ignite that baby. Alright, well, we got good oil pressure, made 60 pounds on the starter. We'll go ahead and try and fire it up now. I'm going to go ahead and prime it one more time real quick, and then we'll go ahead and fire it up. All right, we're gonna try and fire her up here. well, she still runs. All right, well, we know she runs, but I want to make my neighbors mad, so probably going to go ahead and throw these pipes on here, quiet it down a little bit so we can get some more heat in it and let it run a little longer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick.